Hello, my friends. My name is Jack, and I am a soccer player. I love soccer so much. It is my favorite sport. Do you like soccer too? I play every single day. Soccer makes me happy. It is fun, exciting, and full of energy. Today, I want to share my story with you. It's a story about dreams, hard work, and never giving up. I will tell you how I started as a little boy with a soccer ball in my hands, and how I grew up to play for one of the biggest teams in the world. But this video is not only about me. It is also a chance for you to practice English. You will hear real words, natural expressions, and everyday phrases. This will help you understand and speak English more easily. Before we start the story, I want to tell you something important. You might ask, why does Jack say soccer? What about football? Let me explain. In the United States and Canada, people say soccer. They do not use the word football for this sport. In the U.S., football is a different game. It looks very different, like the picture you see now. But in most other countries, people say football. It means the same game I play. In this video, I am speaking with an American accent, so I will say soccer every time. Now, let's start the story. Listen carefully, follow along, and enjoy. Let's begin. When I was a kid, I didn't just love football, I lived for it. I had one big dream: to play for a world-famous team and make my family proud. Let me take you back to where it all began.
Hey, Jack, what are you doing? I'm playing soccer. Look, I can kick the ball far. Wow, you're really good. Do you want to be a soccer player? Yes, I do. One day, I want to play for a big team. That's a big dream, Jack, but I believe in you. Thank you, Sam. I will practice every day. I will not give up.
Back then, I was just a kid with a ball and a dream, but that dream, it burned like fire. As I got older, my dream didn't fade. It got louder. I started to train every single day. And let me tell you, it wasn't easy. One afternoon on the training field, something changed.
Jack, if you want to be great, you need to show up every day.
Even when I'm tired?
Especially when you're tired. Anyone can train when it's easy. Champions train when it's hard.
Sometimes I feel like I can't keep going.
That feeling? It's normal. Even the best players feel weak, but they push through.
So what should I do?
Run faster. Kick sharper. Pass smarter. And do it again, and again, and again. But I mess up sometimes. Good. That means you're learning. Never fear mistakes. Fear standing still.
I get it now. I'll keep going, no matter what.
That's the spirit. Remember, the only way to fail is to give up.
Then I'll never give up. One day, I'll wear that jersey. I'll make it real. Those words stayed with me. So I trained. I sweated. I struggled. But I never stopped chasing that dream. After months of hard training, the big day came. My first real match. The stadium wasn't huge, but it felt like the World Cup to me. I was excited, but deep down, I was nervous. What if I failed? What if all the training wasn't enough? Before the game, I spoke to my mom.
Jack, how are you feeling?
I'm nervous, Mom. What if I mess up in front of everyone?
It's okay to feel that way. Mistakes are part of growing. Just do your best out there. I believe in you.
But the other team, they're really strong.
So are you. You trained in the rain. You trained when you were tired. Now it's time to trust yourself and enjoy the game.
You're right. I'll give it everything I've got. The whistle blew. The match began. My heart was beating fast. The crowd was small but loud. I took my place on the field and looked around. This was real. We worked hard as a team that day. I ran up and down the field, passed the ball, made a few mistakes, but I never stopped. I kept pushing forward. Then, in the second half, everything happened so fast. I saw an opening. The ball came to me, and suddenly I had the chance to score. I heard my teammate shout, but I was already moving. This was it, my moment. I took a deep breath, steadied myself, and kicked the ball with everything I had. For a second, time slowed down. Then, goal! The crowd exploded. My teammates rushed toward me, shouting my name. I had done it. I had scored. That moment, that feeling, I'll never forget it. It wasn't just a goal. It was proof that I belonged on that field. My dream was no longer just a dream. It was becoming real. Years passed. Seasons changed. I trained harder than ever, played match after match, and gave everything I had. Some games I won, some I lost, but I never stopped. Then, one day, it happened. I put on the jersey of a big professional team. I walked onto the field and the crowd roared. It was everything I had dreamed of. And that day, we won the game. Not just any game, a championship match. I had made it. After the final whistle, a reporter ran up to me.
Jack, congratulations! You were incredible out there. How are you feeling right now?
Honestly, I feel amazing. It still feels like a dream, but it's real. I've waited for this moment my whole life.
Tell us, what's your secret? How did you reach this level?
There's no magic trick. I had a dream when I was a kid, and every day I worked toward it. I trained when I was tired. I practiced when no one was watching. I made mistakes. I failed. But I never gave up.
That's powerful, Jack. What advice would you give to young players watching this?
Believe in your dream, no matter how big it is. Work hard, even when it's difficult. Don't be afraid to fail. That's how you grow. And most important, never stop trying. Ever. That's my story. A dream that started with a ball in the backyard. A journey filled with struggle, growth, and success. If I can do it, so can you. All you need is a dream and the courage to chase it.